so we know they use the graduate. We always peacefully do it very nicely. We always try to balance. These two faces are nice. Guarantee to always follow the steps of your body. I know it sounds like bragging, but it's true that I'm talking. Can't deny God's blessing. Right now we are the zebra crossing. No cars are passing. It's just reality flashing. Oh, Chojela Loma. This one you know be Shakara. This one is solely control. The most incredible. I from Nigeria, straight from Nigeria. Street credibility, we get. Check my file.
Hola. Yes. No be lie.
Yeah,
no be lie. Oh, all right. At the late night show be this. No be waiting. No be lie.
You know?
Yeah, no be lie.
Yeah,
no be lie. As we talk and before we go there.
Talk am assassin.
Yeah, we don't go use anything that cover am. Call us
you know.
All right, my people at the late night show with Obi Martins and
Skimpy
Lala. Yes, so we tell us no be lie, no be lie. This show that the show be say man 24/7. 24/7.
Yes.
We go dey make una do wetin, they happy, they jollificate for morning. If you don't face it, begin for morning, afternoon and waiting, and evening. Now this time, 10 o'clock for nights like this. Now we're going to give all the old baduments.
Yes.
All the old shekere, all the old sheraka, all the old tingolo, all the old palangua.
You know, on top of you don't stay with person for a long time. No, the person go begin breathe for your body. When Obi Martin don't they drop big English, big grammar like this. Now me, I know easy. You know say our blood don't join Obi.
I know the kind of blood we get.
Don't be lie.
I know your blood group.
Now you serve your Obi Martin.
I know your blood group. Your blood group now PDP and APC. My blood group now.
Obi, you know they tired to talk. Anyway, you are like no. Now wait to make you the splendid be that.
Now so now
like
tired to talk. Say, the day what tired to talk, that the
job don't end.
I'm telling you,
the job end like that.
All right, my people at the late night show, as we talked before, Obi Martins and Skimpy. Now this time, 10 o'clock for nights. Now we go do waiting. We go follow now. Know how the nights won't be. And I go follow us. Know how the nights won't be. We go make una happy. Una go sleep well. Una go dream well. Una go sleep tight. Una go wake up well.
Yes, sir.
Forget anything we don't happen. You will don't miss what happen in the morning, afternoon. Now skip it, good waiting.
We go touchlight you and the things we don't swear in the morning, in the afternoon. May you for know them. You know, say most of these people morning then the day traffic. Yeah. You know the kind of life we do.
Exactly.
Say half of the day we they spend them for traffic. Exactly. So you know they possible for most of them to go online, go see waiting they sub. That now why we there here in the evening to sunshine now different things where they happen inside Obodo the world.
And like we do yesterday, so many sister we talk yesterday. We talk say if you catch your wife or your husband for bed with somebody, tell you say April Fool, waiting you go do. Today we get another thing. As usual, we get Cocoa of the Day, we get People's Parliament, and we get our Ogbonge guests, we get Video of the Day, and we get waiting. Word of the Day.
Thank you.
You understand?
Thank you.
And people don't follow us for Twitter at W Late Night Show, and for Instagram, Wazobia TV NG, and for Facebook, Wazobia TV NG. They don't chop plate recharge card.
No be smart thing.
And they still they do waiting.
They still they chop and they go.
And today own the correct thing, and we get Ogbonge guests for house. Today own Skippy, waiting you go do. If you catch your wife or your husband, they cheat
on you,
or they cheat 1 hour. One hour before your wedding.
1 hour before wedding.
1 hour before wedding. Sure, you cancel the wedding or you continue the wedding. Don't miss this thing, no.
At all.
Just run and carry your phone or go your internet by this time. Carry on. Follow us for Twitter at W Late Night Show. And for Facebook, Wazobia TV NG. And for Instagram,
Wazobia TV NG.
Hashtag W Late Night Show. Drop what you want drop there. What you go do if you catch your husband or your wife, they cheat for
no, that I never turn to husband or wife. You don't turn now, fiancé or fiancé. 1 hour before
1 hour before your wedding, what you go do if you catch and they cheat? Don't forget, nobody else did the house self. This my boy what they manage. With the, you know, DJ Easy Beats. Say follow the house. You know, greet the people.
My people now we don't know. We love Una and we know Una love us too. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Like seriously, for your mind.
Una go say, wait, why are they happy like this? Are they happy because Skimpy don't finally show me or connect me with people who kidnap my bonanza? So make I follow as I follow. So maybe go see tell them again. Make them do it. Make them release her. I beg. Look, this laugh at the laugh so I make the girl come outside.
It's under consideration.
No,
It's under. You know, you just have to treat me right. Just treat me well.
And aside our topic for today, I get one thing I want to ask Una. What's the difference between Bobby and breast? Bobby and breast. Yes, now the late night show with Obi Martins and Skimpy. Any small pikin where they watch this show, go sleep. Make you go sleep. You be winch? You be winch? I beg, Skimpy. Is it bit? Fire and we'll go back it. Yes, now.
I want to do she not today. She not today. She said she cannot wait though. She said it's getting late though. She said she wants to faint though. Sorry for the gods. Now she said Morocco. What's it coming like now? What's it coming like yo? Sorry for the gods, so I got insanity. See your back calamity. Girl I want to have it. Do I need your permission?